You buy a $100 shopping voucher and put it up for a raffle with tickets costing $2 each, with the intention to donate any profit to charity. Let X be the random variable for the number of tickets you manage to sell, and Y be the random variable for the profit. Suppose you know the expected value of X is 73. What is the expected profit? Well, the definition of expected value would require me to know all the options and how likely they are. It would need the distribution, and I don't have a distribution, so I'm going to have to use some other information. I know that if I can calculate one variable from another using scalar multiplication and addition, then I can track what happens to the expected value from that, and I do have the expected value of X. So if I can find a formula for Y in terms of X, then I might have a chance of doing it. Okay, well, Y is the profit. So that will be the amount of money you take in, take off the amount of money you spent. So let's see. We spent $100, and then we take in, well, there's X people who buy, and each of them spends $2, and so that should be X times $2, which is 2X in dollars. So that means that the profit must be, that's what Y is, yep, must be the amount you take in, which is 2X, minus the amount you spent. Okay. And now I can try and figure out the expected value of the profit. Expected value of Y is the same as the expected value of 2X minus 100. And that's the same as 2X plus the number minus 100. And I know that when you do addition, the expected value can happen separately. Okay, and when you multiply by a constant, then that does the same thing to the expected value, so I can do that. And the expected value of a constant is exactly just that constant, because it's always $100 every time this thing happens. Okay, and then the expected value of X was 73 minus 100. So 2 times 70 would be 140, so 146 minus 100, which is 46. Okay, so I guess it was in words to begin with. I might as well finish off with something in words. So the expected profit is $46. Cool. Not all that much, I guess, for all this effort, but not too bad, I suppose. Yeah, so that's using expected value properties to figure out a new expected value from an old one.